जगात भारी कोल्हापुरी पुरेपूर भरपूर असा आमचा कोल्हापूर. Kolhapur is the city of Panchganga river basin in the western Indian states of Maharashtra. It is the district headquarter of Kolhapur district. The parameters on the basis of which we have selected Kolhapur is the area of Kolhapur is 7,685 square kilometers and the population rate is 39 lakh approx according to the census 2011, and the literate people are around 28 lakh according to the census 2011. So under retrofitting, we will clean the Panchganga river in Kolhapur, which is the most polluted river in the world. We will also make public toilets, which they are already, but we will make them hygienic, which they are not right now. Also, we will increase the number of toilets in the city and few more things that will be taken into consideration and will be discussed further. Under redevelopment, there were many old buildings and some buildings that had collapsed in the previous years. We will develop those buildings and we will develop more buildings in the residential area. Also, we will restructure the old government building infrastructure. Under greenfield development, our priority is to make a big plastic recycling unit in the Kolhapur. Also, we will make an industrial area in a synchronized manner with an increased area of an airport so that more aeroplanes can land. Under Pan City development, we are implementing a smart intelligence traffic system with which a speed breaker will generate electricity with the help of piezoelectric technology when vehicles will pass. For commuters coming from outside the city needs better transportation, and we are coming with a small metro project connecting the major metro stations that will help the tourist and the industrial corridors and the separate residential area to commute. The roof of the railways and the public buildings will also be equipped with solar panels to generate more electricity and depend upon the environment friendly. So the pestle analysis for Kolhapur city is first the political impact. We want the political stable city, and municipal corporation helps for redevelopment. Second comes the environment. Kolhapur is blessed with greenery. We are developing it to attract the visitors. Third is the social impact. There are certain events which are organized by Kolhapur district, the cooperative society such as farmers gathering, self-help groups for women, etc. Next comes the technological impact. There are many industries such as sugarcane factory, casting industry, Kolhapuri chappal, and manufacturing industries and etc. So we are implementing new technologies as to reduce the cost and increase the production and even the revenue. We are also making a supply chain management system with the help of which the goods will be transported more faster than the previous system. Next come the economical impact. With the help of factory, tourism and railway, bus facility, there is a huge growth in the economy. The last comes the legal impact. There are many rules and regulations by government regarding pollution norms, waste management and traffic management, and we are looking forward to cooperate with it. One of the biggest source for revenue for us is the tourism industry, which we are looking forward to improve and attract more people from outside the city. Next come the metro station that we are going to install, that we are looking forward to make in the Kolhapur city, with which we are going to generate much better income. Then the plastic renewal factory that we are going to make in the industrial area, with the help of which we are going to make the plastic roads. Team Shiksha here, and our smart city project was Kolhapur city. As you know that Kolhapur is famous for Kolhapur chappal and 300 forging and casting units in the Kolhapur city, and famous for its Mahalakshmi temple. As you can see, these are the things that we are going to look forward to change in the city. If you can see the local roads, all in the city we are going to make the local roads with the waste plastic. This is the plastic recycling unit. from where we will recycle the plastic and we will make use of it in making the roads. We will also make the metro stations on various stations to connect the city. And the important thing in the city, this blue line, as you can see, is the Panchganga river that is going in between the city. We are going to install a Hitachi system to clean it, as we can see in Gujarat, and Mr. Modi has done with the Sabarmati river. We are also going to clean it, and with this the local tourism will also be increased. So let us take you to the 3D project of Kolhapur. With the blessings of Mahalakshmi temple, we look forward to develop the city. Here above, as you can see, is the metro that is working. So this is the new metro station that we have developed, under which the Indian Railway is starting and going outside the city, and from the above there is a metro running. And here, as you can see, we have compiled the three things in one building. One is the primary school, secondary school, and till college level there is only one building that we have made. Over here, this blue thing, as you can see, is the Panchganga river. So this black road, as you can see, is made up of waste plastic that is being recycled in the plastic recycling unit that I'll show you time. These are the two windmills and more to come. We have installed in between the Panchganga river to utilize the space and to generate electricity in the Kolhapur city. This is the meditation center that we have made as promised in the 2D project. This is the airport that we have made. Here you can see the prototype of the airport, proper greenery, proper roads, everything, so that we can attract foreign tourists to invest in the Kolhapur city, as it is famous for the industrial unit. So this is the close view of the airport that we have made. So the technique here is that we have installed a fire station in between an airport and a railway station, because these are the most essential parts of the city, and in between there is a fire station. So the reason that if any mishappening occurs on any of the side, so the fire people can go to any of the sites in a very shorter period of time. This, as you can see, the metro has reached here, and it will go like this, in between the tunnel, and it will go on to the Kushahu Maharaj Terminal, Kolhapur, which is near the airport and the railway station. And here, as you can see, the bus stop is being made under the metro station, just to utilize the space. And above here, we will make a shopping mall so that people can shop and then take the metro. Over here, we have also made McDonald's, and above it we have a bank, and below it we have a Kolhapur Municipal Corporation. This is the Wi-Fi tower which will throw signals all over the city. As we were talking about MIDC area, which is the backbone of the development in Kolhapur, there are 300 industries such as Menon Piston, Menon Rings, Tata Plastic Factory, KBL, Kolhapuri Chappal Industry. There we have installed a sensor which indicates the level of CO2 and CH4 and etc. To preserve natural bounty, we have planted trees around every industry. Also, to cure the TB patients that are in maximum in Kolhapur, this is the new hospital that we have made. So under the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, we have made toilets all over the city, as you can see this. The Panchganga river that is entering into Kolhapur city, and we have installed the Hitachi water plant in the starting only, that is going under the way from Kolhapur Municipal Corporation, as you can see. As promised, we have also made the speed breakers that will generate the electricity while the vehicles will be passing. And there is one more toilet that we have made. This is the metro that is going under the way. So in the last, we'll just show you the closer view of the city. This is the residential area that we have made. Thank you.